Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the JBL Boombox 4. I'll show you everything you need to know so you're good to go, wherever the vibe takes you. Let's get into it! Time to unbox. Let's open it up and grab the speaker. You'll also find a quick start guide and the power cord tucked inside. So, how do you operate the boombox? Turn it on by pressing the power button. Using the boombox for the first time, it automatically jumps into Bluetooth pairing mode so you can connect it with your device right away. Want to manually pair the boombox? Press the Bluetooth button and select it on your device to connect. Easy. Hit the play button to pause or resume your favorite tracks. Tap it twice to skip to the next, or 3 times for the previous song. Use the plus and minus to control the volume. Simple as that. To enjoy high-quality, lossless audio on your Boombox 4, simply connect a USB-C cable from any supported device. Start by turning on the speaker and wait for the Bluetooth connection. Then, press and hold the play button on the speaker while connecting the USB-C cable. You'll hear a short sound confirming the connection. Your device is now playing high-quality, lossless audio through the speaker. If you remove the cable, the speaker will automatically switch back to Bluetooth mode. What's a boombox without some serious boom? Turn on Bassboost and pick your vibe. Tap once for deep bass mode. Tap twice for punchy bass mode. Or just keep it default. The iconic JBL horn changes color with the boom you choose. Download the JBL Portable App via the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. Connect your speaker to your phone, open the app, and control multiple features. Adjust the EQ settings, playtime boost, activate stereo pairing, and more. Hanging out with friends who also have Auracast-enabled JBL speakers? Hit the Auracast button on the boombox, then on the secondary speakers to pair them up. Need a quick boost? Use the included power cable to charge your boombox. Just 10 minutes gives you up to 2.5 hours of playtime, and a full charge takes just 3 hours. The front light strip shows you the charging status at a glance. The Boombox 4 is fitted with a replaceable battery. To replace, start by unscrewing the 2 Torx screws on the bottom of the boombox and remove the cover. Replace the battery, refit the cover, and tighten the Torx screws again. To keep the JBL Boombox water and dust proof, make sure all covers are closed properly for a good seal. Battery replaced? Time to enjoy your Boombox 4 to the fullest again.